What if you could transform simple images into a cinematic World Cup moment in just a few clicks? With Filmora's AI effects, transitions, and image-to-video tools, you can turn ordinary football clips into high-energy stadium experiences without needing advanced editing skills. Create powerful player transformations, dramatic soccer moments, and AI-generated football stories with just a few clicks. Many football fans dream of experiencing the World Cup atmosphere, the crowd, stadium lights, energy, and unforgettable moments.
Before we begin, visit my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos.
But creating professional sports videos usually requires expensive equipment, expert editing skills, and complex visual effects. So, how can you turn a simple football clip into a World Cup-level experience? Filmora's AI tools make it possible in just a few simple steps. First, import your image or video into the timeline. Go to the Effects panel and open the AI Effects section. Under the Football Fever category, you'll find powerful sports effects designed to transform your content. For example, Stadium Athlete Transformation can turn a normal player shot into a dramatic stadium moment. Simply drag and drop the effect, and Filmora AI automatically adds cinematic details and a professional sports atmosphere. You can also use effects like Electric Soccer Dash to add dynamic energy, Fiery Soccer Strike to create an intense action moment, and Golden Confetti Kiss or Victory effects to build exciting celebration scenes. With just a few clicks, ordinary images become cinematic football experiences. You can make your videos even more engaging with AI transitions. Go to the Transitions tab, open the Football Fever category, and explore dynamic options like Flying View Transition, Lightning Spin Flow, and more. These transitions give your video the feel of a professional sports broadcast. Filmora AI also helps improve footage that doesn't look professional. Use AI filters like Field Glory, Field Passion, Cartoon Crunch, and Game Day to enhance the mood and create a polished cinematic style. You can even transform images into videos using AI templates. Simply go to Stock Media, open the AI Mine section, choose a football template, upload your image, and generate your video. And that's what makes Filmora AI different. It's not just about adding effects, it's about transforming ideas into stories and turning simple visuals into unforgettable experiences. From a basic football clip to your own AI World Cup experience, Filmora makes professional storytelling simple. One click, creative transformation, professional results.